Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing Plush Crabs, little plushies. Yay! So, today we're going to be doing a plush craft, which I'm super excited about. So, first we're going to just look at the side. Look at it. It says 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's cool. So, number 1, you take it out. Number 2, you push them in. And number 3, you put the eyes in and you're done. So that's really cool. Wow, I'm so excited, guys. So yeah. Whoa, look at this stuff, guys. Look at what they gave us. Follow this little template right here of what color they show you. So black will match this part, and white is going to match the white parts. So if you still can't understand it, then you can try looking at the box. So yeah. Okay guys, so I almost finished. I finished the face. Just have to do the head on the back. And it's already so cute and I really like it. So make sure that when you're doing it, you make space for the eyes and the ears. So if you don't know where the eyes and the ears are, they will give you little tiny holes over here so you can see it. And they also give you little like parts that pop out for the ears. So yeah. So they also have instructions to make the eyes and the ears. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few seconds. So I'm just gonna continue, and you guys, I'm gonna do a question of the day and a few other things. So yeah. So another I have one tip for you guys, which is have like when you are making the animal, make sure you cover with your leftover. Try to cover any bald spots that you missed, especially with the big eyes. You should try to cover them with the big eyes. If you have any spots with felt, it may look a bit silly, but once you get used to looking at it, it will look completely normal. So now I'm just gonna give you the question of the day. So the question of the day is, what is your favorite type of, what's your favorite toy that you got for Christmas ever? Like any toy that you got. It doesn't even have to be from Santa, as long as you just got it from Christmas. For Christmas, that's completely fine. So I have to say my favorite present that I got from Christmas is either my gymnastic bars or my I also really like my VR goggles I got this year. But for some weird reason they actually don't even work. But tomorrow today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up the Oculus Quest 2, like the Oculus Quest 2 VR goggles. So I'm really excited. But first I'm going to, since mine's not working, then I'm going to have to go to the shop and return the old one and get a new one. So yeah. And now I'm just gonna keep poking them in. So, I actually am almost done. I just have a few more spots to go. But I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys my favorite color, my favorite food, and just 5 easy questions that I want to answer for you guys. So, question number 1 is, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is purple, which I have right here. Question number 2 is, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is, I don't really know actually. I like everything. But if it's breakfast, I like maybe oatmeal or cinnamon rolls or something yummy. So, also I'm going to just be poking more of them in, and I'm almost actually finished, so yeah. So, make sure you make enough space for the eyes, but even if your space is way too small, they should still fit perfectly. And if you have any, as you guys can see, I have a little spot here, so you're just going to take the felt and you're going to poke them in as much, just use all the white felt if you have any leftovers, but make sure you save some for later, just in case you see a bald spot you missed. So now I'm going to show you how to cover a bald spot. So you guys can see I actually have one right here. You take the white one and you cover it with the bald spot. Make sure everything is covered. Then you take your little needle felting thing, the little poker thing, and you place it on to the center of the felt or wherever you need to cover, and you just push it in, and it should cover it perfectly. But if it's still too big, then you can just go get a, you can just push it in more, or you can probably go get you can get a second one. And now you should have a body like this when you're finished. Make sure there's 2 spaces for the ears. I'm just going to cover it with one more piece of felt because I think that it needs another one. Okay guys, I just finished plushing and fluffing my little puppy. So I'm just going to pull a few out just to make a space for the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take these 2 out. So now I have 2 holes. I have a few holes, and also make sure you make space for the ears. And you also should get this little accessory thing, which I'm really happy about getting. And they're little accessories for your little pup. Okay, so on the part on it, they have the ears, and they also have a tail. So you guys can see there's a tail. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's a tail in the ear. So I'm just gonna take them out. And it should come with 3 different colors, so whatever one you need. If you made the one I made, you should get the gray one. Because on the label it says the gray, so yeah. And there are little fluffy tails and 2 cool ears. So now you're just going to take the ears, and there should be a little spot over here, so that's where you're going to want to place it. You're going to take the circle part of the ear, and you're going to sort of cover it over. Then you're just going to take the pusher, and you're just going to push down the air. And you should have a lot of space left, so for the space you can just add some more white felt, or you can just leave it the way you like it. So then you should have something that looks like just like this. So it's really cute. And now you're going to take some white, and you're just going to cover the excess spots with your pen. So you're just going to basically just cover all the bald spots that he has. Okay guys, so I just finished puffing every single part in, and you can see it's all covered, and the ears are just sticking out like they've grown. And now we're going to be doing the eyes. Yay! Okay, So for this, you want 2 eyes. And I'm sure they're all the same. So you're just going to get 2 of them, put them aside. And then you're going to want to get the blue stickers that look like this. So you should get 2 of them. So I'm going to get this one out. There we go. And now I'm going to show you how to put the eyes in. The sticky that you got. Then you take one of the eyes and then you screw this part in so that you basically sort of screw it in. So then they show through the clear glass like this. It's actually plastic, but yeah. And then you just take it, you're gonna pop it in. You want to push it as hard as you can, just so then you can roll. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vid.